Hi guys, in this video I am gonna bring you a step-by-step tutorial on a new AI niche, time travel vlog videos. These videos are going viral on social media platforms and some people have already gained lots of followers from such videos. Let's jump right into the tutorial. Step 1. Prepare prompt. As usual, we are using ChatGPT for prompt generation. Go to ChatGPT and enter the instruction in the dialog. You can find the instruction content in the description. Then click on Submit. ChatGPT will provide 10 ideas for you including specific year and scenario. Enter the idea you like. In this case, I am asking it to generate an idea of the construction of the Great Pyramid. There it will automatically generate image and video prompts for you. Step 2. Create images. In this step, we are mainly using HitPaw Photopea for the images. You may find the official link in the description or use other tools you like. Click on AI Generator and click on Image to Image. We want to give it a reference image as the main vlogger. I am using this portrait image as an example. Then copy image 1's prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose the latest Nano Banana 2 model and click on Generate. It will create an image with perfect character consistency of the reference image. Repeat this process to create other images. These are the images I created in this method. Step 3. Generate videos. With the images ready, we are moving on the video generation. You may use tools like HitPaw VicP as there are multiple mainstream models to use. In this case, I am using Google Flow as an example. Drag and import the images we created just now inside Flow. Put it as the first frame, then copy and paste the video prompt in the dialog accordingly. Select Portrait Aspect Ratio and click on Submit. When it is completed, we have the first video clip.
500 BC, and they're literally building the Great Pyramid right behind me.
Next, what we want to do is repeat the process to create other videos. And finally, use video editing softwares like CapCut to put all the clips together. And there we have a full time travel AI video for sharing. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.